Hi, I'm Diane. Thank you so much for being at our golf day. Everybody is here. Just want to show you some important people. We've got Anima Nine.
Hello, Joanna.
Very, very good friend. And these are the people who live life. As you know, this is the Good Morning Angels, driven by Instant Life and Share.co. And this is what they look like. This is Suzette. Hi, everyone. And this is Groot Boss. Very young.
Hallo Darcy.
And these are also the people that gave us a really good last football. Janneke, I think I'm
Nee, ek het nie. Ek was ook nog verras. Maar ek dink dit is 'n baie goeie resultaat vir die Morning Angels.
ja, R60,000 iemand betaal vir Instant Life.
Maar Jan is nou net humble, want alles wat hulle opsit gaan altyd vir meer as wat mense glo per dag. So as hulle nog 'n 4 opsit volgende jaar kan hulle gaan vir 100. So moenie so humble wees nie. Ons weet ook wat doen Instant Life vir die gebruiker albei.
So, do you think you're going to make that million?
Definitely going to make the million. In fact, I think we're going to make well over. I'm banking on 1.2 million for the Good Morning Angels Fund. And it's been such a successful day here for us all at Instant Life and Sierra Zero. And we'll certainly be back next year.
Yay! So let's keep watch
Hold your
space.
thumbs.
1.2 says God. 1.5.